substituting for Robertson. Yet again, November brings floods to northern Italy exactly 2 years after the disasters of Florence and Venice. Hardest hit, a valley in the northwest, a centre for the textile industry. Apart from the homeless, 20,000 are now unemployed after the destruction of their factories. The bill for damage will run into millions of pounds. The death roll is well over the 100 and maybe twice as high. One big problem is communications, with bridges down and railway lines and roads cut. Large areas of northern Italy virtually isolated by the floods. And the evil legacy of 72 hours solid rain, an aftermath of muck, filth and desolation.